Hello, we're here with Brandy Pittser today, and we're gonna make the no-bake cookies, and we're gonna do this in our microwave with the Tupperware, the stack cooker. First, we're gonna add a half a cup of milk, and then a fourth a cup of butter, which is half of a stick of butter, so you can just measure that. And then we add 2 cups of sugar. And then 1/4 a cup of cocoa. And you're going to mix this together, and then we'll put in the microwave for 1.5 minutes and be back. Okay, we've had it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, and we're going to combine the mixture, stir that a little better there. And once it's well mixed, we're going to put that back in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Alright, the mixture's been in the microwave for another 2.5 minutes, and we're going to add in the peanut butter. We have a half a cup of peanut butter. And a teaspoon of vanilla, and then 3 cups of oats, and just mixed it all in really well. And once that mixture is combined nice and well, then you drop it out onto either wax paper, or if you have the silicone Wonder Mat, and then let those cool and have a nice snack. Just drop it out in tablespoons onto your Wonder Mat or your wax paper or parchment paper and let it cool, and then enjoy. And there you have the super easy no-bake cookies in the microwave with the Tupperware stack cooker. Thank you, Brandy, for showing us how to do it.